Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. This is Bringing Back Basic Gray. It's a collaboration with Bourbon Creek Crafts and Stampin' Cat, and their links are down below. Basic Gray makes fabric now, not paper, but some of us do have paper in our stash, and they were a little ahead of their time as far as variety and amazing patterns. So we're not bringing it back necessarily, but we are bringing it out of our stash and playing with it. We're not trying to smash it, we're just trying to have fun with it. These two cards I made from the paper collection that I used on a journal last month. I think it's Max and Friends or something about whiskers. I don't know. I don't have the package at this point. So I have a piece of the paper that I cut out to make it look like an ephemera piece. Then I bordered it with a craft cardstock and rounded the edges on both. Put it on top of a busy pattern. And I have this piece of ephemera from something else that said Live, Love, Bark, and the color's pretty close. And then I made a flag of it on top of paper from this collection. I made a card, had ephemera, nice focal point out of a collection that I am scraping together. So just to show you, you can get creative. And it's on a cream card base, probably because I had it handy and it goes with the paper. And then on the inside, I have another piece of that checked paper that's like this. So super cute. I'm not into Live, Love, Laugh, but Live, Love, Bark, I couldn't resist. Then here's another one. Again, I cut a piece of paper and tried to make a focal point out of it. So I love wiener dogs. I have this one. This guy is adorable right here. Could have circle punched him probably, or die cut him too, but I'm not even sure I had that edge right there. This was a bit of a blank spot in this piece of paper, so I put the sentiment Pure Joy over it. Pure Joy came from a 12 by 12 sheet where I just cut out a bunch of sentiments, and it's on one of those metal frame things that I have such a hard time using up. So very fun for this. And a tiny mat of craft, and then a busy pattern, and then some checked inside. Two super fun cards, and I think they could be for like, you got a new dog, you got a new job, you're having a great time, something. Dog lovers would appreciate these for anything. Be sure to check out what Kathy and Beth made in their videos. Again, the links are down below. And we'll be back again next month with more Basic Gray. What we make just depends on what's in our stash and what we come up with. Lots of times you're probably going to see cards because we don't have miles and miles and miles of the paper. But like I said, I did make a dog journal last month. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing and taking wonderful care of yourself. Be sure to enjoy your summer, if it is your summer, before it's gone. Bye-bye.